Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I want to talk about bras and how much I hate bras. And I'm gonna go 5 days without wearing a bra and just see how it feels and see what kind of looks I get. And just in general, kind of give my feedback on what it's like as a fat person who has boobs that are large but proportional to my body, but are very saggy. I am just gonna say that they're saggy. They're not perky boobs. I'm gonna see what it's like to not wear a bra for 5 days. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around, because we're gonna figure out how to dress boobs without a bra on, because clothes definitely fit different without a bra. Alright, let's get into it and let's see what 5 days of not wearing a bra is like. Hi. Welcome to a week of me not wearing a bra, as you probably saw by the title. I was gonna do like a sit down thing where I talk about my feelings about bras, but I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and you know what? Bras suck. Ones with underwire suck, ones without underwire suck. Wearing a bra in general just because you feel like you have to sucks. And that is really the only reason why I wear a bra. Although I'm discovering today, on my first day of not wearing a bra, in public at that wearing a bra has its benefits, i.e. it soaks up all my underboob sweat. So I am hot, I'm sweaty. I just came back from thrifting at Talese, so that was fun. Nobody really looked any differently at me. Like, nobody really paid attention to the fact that I'm not wearing a bra. So, you know, that's good. I don't really have anything to report other than under my boobs is very sweaty. Okay, so this is what I, did. Normally, if I'm not wearing a bra and I go out, I'm just literally gonna go through like a drive-through, or I'm not getting out of the car, essentially. Like, you know that meme that's like, my outfit is I hadn't planned on getting out of the car? That's what I mean. Sometimes I just wear my pajamas to take my sister to work. No bra, no pants, you know? That's fine, but I'm not getting out of the car. Today, I forced myself to get out of the car. So I'm wearing this really baggy t-shirt. It is from Bad Rhino. It has paint on it somewhere, like gold paint, or yeah, it's over here. When I was spray painting something, I somehow ended up with gold paint on me. There's a few mysterious stains, whatever. It's not a nice shirt. I mean, it was when I bought it. It's a men's like 8XL, so it's really big on me. Like, you can see I could actually fit like a whole other person in here. Not a person as fat as me, but like another person. So it's very large. And I'm wearing like just pants, regular pants, and I've got the shirt tucked into the high waistband of the pants. I'm not standing out because I'm tired. It's like noon and I'm tired already. And I slept until 10:15. So yeah, it's been that kind of day. So I found out it was Talese 50% off day, and so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go to Talese with no bra on. So I did. It was very busy. Nobody looked at me any differently. And yeah, I don't really have anything to report. I went to Subway, which required me actually going in, which is precisely why I picked Subway. Otherwise, I would have just gone to Taco Bell on my way home because it was easier and closer. And, well, Subway's quite close to my house, but I didn't have to get out of the car, right? So instead I went to Subway. and I haven't eaten my sandwich yet. I'm going to very soon. I don't really have anything else to add. Underneath my boobs is sweaty, like I said. That's nothing new, but normally my bra just soaks up the sweat. So I don't wear bras with underwear as it is. So you know what? Tomorrow when I actually get dressed and have time to show you, I'll show you what I'm wearing, because this should be interesting, hiding my nipples all week without putting tape over them. Hello, it is day 2 of the no bra challenge. I'm sure my neighbors are currently watching me vlog myself, which is great. It's the evening now. I think it's like after 6 o'clock. Definitely after 6 o'clock, probably closer to 7 o'clock. But I haven't left the house today except to go out to my driveway and saw wood. So I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's nothing exciting. It's literally like this red top. All right, so it's this red top, and then I am wearing like yoga pants. I don't have anywhere to put you where you'll be able to see this. Okay, so yoga pants. These are just Pennington's ones, see, and they're like shorts. That's it. That's my whole outfit. It's not very exciting, but I didn't have to leave the house, so I didn't need to make it exciting. I do need to leave the house tomorrow though, and go to Arts and Crafts Collective with no bra on. Hello. It is Wednesday now, and I'm gonna show you my outfit. I'm really struggling to dress myself. I'm just gonna say that. I feel like all of my shirts have to be super baggy in order to sort of like hide the fact that I'm not wearing a bra. Even though like it literally doesn't matter. Yes, you can tell because like my boobs are way down here, but like if I was flat chested, would it matter? No. Anyway, this is my outfit. It's not all that exciting, but I just am wearing this really big shirt from Bad Rhino. Again, like I just bought it like, I don't know, like 3 sizes too big. Honestly, I love their stuff because you can actually, as an actual like really fat person, get oversized t-shirts there, as opposed to like just buying sizes like 3 sizes too big and it not really being oversized. So anyway, this is the top. I've tied it into a knot right here. I'm probably going to untie that while I'm driving though, because it will hurt the way I sit. And then I'm wearing culottes. So they have pockets. These are my navy blue ones because I thought they went really nice with the gray. And that's it. I'm just going to put some sneakers on. So the culottes are like, you know, you saw them in my video, I don't know, forever ago. Yeah, I put a little bit of makeup on. I literally just put mascara on. I just washed my hair, well, my whole body, but my hair is still wet, so yeah. That's all I've got for you. I'm going to take you guys with me this time when I go because I'm actually going to be around people, like a lot of people. So I will discuss how I feel while we go. So I just left Arts and Crafts Collective, which is the store that sells my Rebellious Clove things in Gananoque. As well, they are taking some of my stickers from the Casual Planner, because when I told them earlier in the summer how I was making stickers, they basically said, yeah, you're making boob stickers, we're in. They're just fun like that. It's not really why you're here though, talking about planners. You're here because I'm not wearing a bra and it's weird. Let me just say, Gananoque is a small city and I'm trying to hide the camera because there's a lady crossing the street right in front of my car and she keeps looking at me weird because I'm talking to myself. So walking through downtown Gananoque, which is just like, this is what it looks like. It's all cutesy little shops and stuff. Walking downtown without a bra on. No weird looks so far. Honestly, no weird looks. No one's been like, oh, gross, you're not wearing a bra. I don't think anyone would really walk up and say that's gross. But I'm just gonna say, it's fucking hot, okay? It's 27 degrees outside right now, and even though I put deodorant on underneath of my boobs, it's hot and sticky, and my boobs have a mind of their own and go in whatever direction they want, and I'm just really looking forward to being able to put on a bra. We're only on day 3 and I miss my bra. That's weird, right? That's weird for me to say. All right, I'm gonna go because I've rambled enough and I need to drive all the way home now. Maybe I will get some Dairy Queen. Can you guys guess where I am? Happy Thoughts. Literally one of my favorite places, but I also work here. And I would have, like, it's 4 p.m. now, and I've been here since 11:30. I wasn't supposed to work today, but Tammy, the owner, needed me to cover for the day because her daughter is sick, which happens sometimes. She's small. But I've been here all day and I'm not wearing a bra. Like, look, not wearing a bra. And it's weird because I've been serving customers all day long, and like, no one has said anything. No one has outwardly said, like, you're not wearing a bra, that's gross. No one has looked at me funny. I'm not even sure anyone has noticed, to be honest. I am wearing like a cowl neck top that's kind of loose on the top and then more fitted further down. It's sleeveless, but the armholes go up quite high, so like my boob's not going to slip out the armhole if I were wearing like a low cut tank top. Also, I'm filming this on my phone, so if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my face when I should be looking at the camera at the top of the phone. I'm sorry. It's just, you know, one of those things. So the store's still open until 5, but for the most part, been a great day. Although I do have to say that, like, walking in downtown without a bra on is weird. It feels really weird. Also, I did walk through a pack of men this morning as I was leaving the parking garage. They were, I don't know, on a smoke break or something. I was walking behind a little old lady and someone else with her, and so I just sort of like walked really close to them because I didn't want to catch their attention, good or bad. Like, whether they wanted to harass me or catcall, neither of those are good, but like, I don't want to be told I'm disgusting first thing in the morning, so yeah. Other than that, like, I don't really have anything to report. You kind of just forget that you're not wearing a bra. You're just overly comfortable all the time. Today was not nearly as bad not wearing a bra. I might institute a, like, 1 day a week, no bra outside the house kind of thing. I don't know. Yeah, sorry, I keep getting distracted by the traffic and such outside the store because I'm on a corner in the store, so. Yeah. All right, that's all I have to report. I will insert a photo of my outfit here. I'm just wearing my black culottes and sneakers. It's not anything exciting, but you really can't tell that I'm not wearing a bra unless I'm moving. And then my boobs are just like blah 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 everywhere. But like, I don't really care. They're just jiggly. They'd be jiggly in anything, but they just jiggle a lot more not wearing a bra. Alright, so this is my Friday check-in, my 5th day, and as you can see, I'm wearing the same clothes from the intro because I literally filmed it 10 seconds ago. And I'll be honest, today I wore a bra. And I did that because I had a business meeting, and my only real rule was I was allowed to wear a bra. I created this rule for myself. I mean, it's my channel, my video, I can do what I want, but I created this rule for myself that basically is, if I have a job interview or a meeting with somebody, I'm allowed to wear a bra. Because let's face it, not everybody else in the world is that understanding of you just like trying shit out, and you can't really, I wouldn't blame an interviewer for not hiring you if you didn't wear a bra, because it could be unprofessional, but also there are plenty of reasons to not wear a bra in terms of health conditions. I did have a coworker once where she'd had some sort of like mastitis issue and quite literally couldn't wear a bra without ending up in the hospital. And that was like as a grown adult, way long after she'd had kids and everything. So yeah, I really, you know, it's hard because like not wearing a bra is kind of awesome, but also wearing a bra also kind of awesome. So my day 5 check-in, I wore just like a t-shirt. I'm wearing my sports bra, as you can see, or you can see now that I showed it to you. I literally just wore a bra because I ended up yesterday afternoon making plans to meet up with a client of mine for a meeting, and if it was a woman, I probably wouldn't have worn a bra, but it was a man, and he may even watch this, weirdly enough. But he's the type of person who would notice and point it out, or like say like, what's going on? I don't, maybe he wouldn't say something because he knows that'd be weird, but also no filter. That's totally fine, and like I would have totally explained what was happening or what I was doing, but also I just wanted to like go about my business and go and like get the client work done. So yeah, I wore a bra. I caved. I also did have to work at the store today again, but I worked at the store all day yesterday not wearing a bra. Nobody said a thing, nobody noticed. It was awesome. Also very hot. Like, I'm just gonna say it, not wearing a bra means so much boob sweat, like under boob sweat, where like your boobs kind of like sag down and like rest on your stomach, and just that space gets so hot and sticky. To celebrate the end of no bra week, I went to Torrid and bought myself a bra. My receipt blew away the second I walked out of the mall, which pissed me off, but I wasn't chasing after it. So this is it. It is green leopard print. It's like a silky material. That is enough rambling. I'm filming this at like 10 o'clock at night, and I still have to edit it, so it's going to be a long night, just so you guys can see it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Share the no bra on fat people. You know what? It's totally okay to go without a bra. I'll probably do it more often now and not worry about like going to the grocery store without a bra on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!